everyone, in this video I will discuss how to restore virtual marketplace entitlements after user login ID changes in ITSM. I will provide a demo on how to restore user virtual marketplace entitlements for individual user when their login ID has changed in CTM People form. When a user login ID changes in CTM People, they lose their entitlements to DWP Catalog as the updated login ID is not merged with the original login ID in the catalog. The catalog services will no longer appear in the DWP portal, and the users will also lose their active and non-active events on the My Activity page in DWP. So to fix the issue with entitlements, we will need to update the people and user records of the user in DWP Catalog using Innovation Studio. And please note that this applies to DWP Advanced version 2008 and not versions on converged platforms. So let's go ahead and start the demo. For the purpose of this demo, let's take a look at the user, Corey Anderson, with the user login ID of C. Anders. As you can see, I'm logged in here in the DWP Catalog user directory. So this is the user's original login ID, is C. Anders, and it's in all lowercase. Now when you log into mid-tier and Open CTM People form and search for that same user, you will see that his login ID has updated to C. Anders 1. So now when you go back to DWP Catalog and search for this user's entitlement, by going to Entitlements by User, go to C. Anders, you will see indeed that the login ID has updated in the Entitlement by User form because this pulls directly from CTM People record. However, if you look at the View User Entitlements, there are no services entitled to the user because this new login ID is not entitled to any services. So to fix this issue, we will need to update the user's login ID in DWP Catalog to match the new login ID of the user in CTM People form. So to do that, let's log in to DWP Catalog Innovation Studio. So here I am logged in to Innovation Studio, and I will click on the Administration tab, and from here I will go to Foundation Data and go to Manage People. Here I will search for the user C. Anders. And I have the user right here. And now I need to go to Access Details and then click on Edit Login ID, which will allow me to edit this login ID field. So I will put the number 1 to make sure that it matches the new login ID. And another thing to check here, if you go to Other Details, just ensure that the status of the user is set to Enabled. And there's no need to update any other fields on this form. Just ensure that the login ID now matches the new login ID in ITSM CTM People form and that the user status is set to Enabled. So once that is done, all you need to do is click on Save. And then the other form that you want to validate is the user form in Innovation Studio as well. So from here, we will search for that end user that we just updated. So when you update the user's people record, it will automatically update the user form as well. But we just want to be sure that it has also updated in this record. And yeah, and we can see that it has. Because if I log in here, I can see that the login name is now C. Anders 1. So now that these changes are in place, then when we go back to DWP Catalog and search for Entitlement by User, we should now see the correct entitlement set for this user. So let's go ahead and search for C. Anders 1. And then when I go to View User Entitlement, I can now see all the services restored to the login ID of the user after updating it to match the new login ID in CTM People form. So that's it. That's how you update a login ID in Innovation Studio when the user's login ID has changed in CTM People form to ensure that their entitlements are working correctly once again. So thank you for watching, and please remember to visit our channel BMC Remedy and Discovery for more videos like this.